You and I know that the Quran is the most authentic by virtue of it not having been changed at all. Nothing was changed. And some people argue, no, this was changed, that was changed. Bring your books that are proven to be changed by the masses of today, and it's being changed constantly. You will find the Quran goes back to the furthest point. Even if you think and you claim that it was changed, which we don't agree, you will always find that it goes back further than any other scripture, the point of argument. So if you say it was changed, we ask you, when was it changed? You'll come up with a date, perhaps, according to you, that would be far behind the dates of the other scriptures being tampered with. May Allah grant us the understanding that this is indeed a divine book. Another beautiful point. The Quran is the only heavenly book wherein you find Allah Almighty, or the one whose word it is, the one who revealed it, is addressing the messenger, and the message is for us. So he's addressing the messenger or addressing us. It's not a disciple talking, it's not someone else speaking, it's not a third party having compiled books and so on. The Quran has a uniqueness, and this is why those who've read the other scriptures, and I've read a lot of other scriptures, they would be able to tell immediately as they open the Quran that this is something unique because it has in it the direct addressing of the Maker himself. So because the Light Upon Light this year is themed upon the Quran and the divinity of the Quran, I started off by letting you know, indeed it is an amazing book. It's the only book in existence that you can actually memorize from cover to cover without a single mistake. I know people who can read it, so many, who can read it from cover to cover, with all its stops and pauses and the different disciplines of learning within the recitation of the Quran, the translation of the Quran, without making a blunder. No other book, not even the short booklets that people write, no other book is memorized in that particular way. It's amazing.